Healthcare providers in Singapore are seeing a flurry of inquiries about COVID-19 vaccines from Chinese travellers. Many are looking to get inoculated with mRNA jabs, such as the Pfizer shot. Now, this vaccine is not readily available in their home country. Alivam Shah reports.
With China's move away from its zero-COVID policy, the resumption of travel also means some Chinese travellers are looking to get vaccinated overseas. Some are keen to get jabbed in Singapore. One healthcare provider received 90% more inquiries from Chinese travellers about mRNA jabs, such as the Pfizer shot. These vaccines are widely administered globally, but aren't endorsed by Beijing.
We are still getting requests from Chinese tourists via their travel agents on a regular basis, and we are definitely trying to consolidate this request and also liaising with the stakeholders to make sure that we have sufficient supplies and stocks to meet these demands.
Ahead of the expected surge in demand, the healthcare group is also ramping up its manpower in clinics to handle more patients. Dr. Chiang is confident that there will be enough supply for those in Singapore, even if more Chinese visitors get inoculated here.
We are monitoring the demands for the vaccines closely. The vaccines that supply the private vaccination program or the PVP, they come from a different stockpile, and therefore, Singaporeans and local residents shouldn't worry that their supplies will be affected in any way.
In recent days, StarMed also noted the higher interest. Every day, it's getting about 3 inquiries about mRNA jabs, up from the previous 5 calls per week.
Currently, we do not offer mRNA vaccines, which is what these travellers are inquiring about. We offer Sinopharm vaccinations, but we're in the process of looking into how we can start offering mRNA vaccines to patients who request for it as well.
At another clinic, it's been getting more inquiries about COVID-19 PCR tests from Chinese travellers.
A large part of the demand is there's a lot of Chinese who are in Singapore who would like to go back once the borders are reopened. And the other ones, of course, Chinese tourists who are coming into Singapore. They do plan their entire travel in advance, and that's where they also settle this portion as well to arrange for PCR for their return back home.
It's also doubling its staff in the mobile swabbing teams to handle the expected higher demand. This will be beefed up further if needed in the coming weeks.